Hello and welcome back. So this is an unboxing video of books which I have bought from Amazon, and all these books I have got at great discounts. So without wasting any time, let us unpack these books. So the first parcel that I have got, let us see which book we'll open first. So this one is Kuch Pal Saath Raho, and it is a poetry collection by Taslima Nasreen, and this is translated into Hindi by Sushil Gupta. So Taslima Nasreen, as you know, is a very famous feminist poet and writer. And this book originally it is priced at 125, but due to some offer on because of some offer on Amazon, I have got it only for 65 rupees. So quite happy with it, and I'm quite excited to read this poetry collection. And Taslima Nasreen writes very beautiful poems. We had some of her poems in our MA syllabus as well. So I was introduced to Taslima Nasreen in our MA syllabus. So very interested to read this one as well. Let us move on to the next one now. So the next parcel is right in my hand. So let us see what we have got in this. So again, we have one more book. I was trying to buy this book from a very long time. So this is a Shairi collection, a collection of Shairis by Momin. So Momin, as you know, is a very famous and very revered Shair of Urdu. And I must say that I was looking forward to buy this book from a very long time. So usually this book sells at 145, which is not a very high price, I can say. But I have got this as a much cheaper rate. I got this only for 99 rupees, again in a special discount from Amazon. And as I have Prime membership, I got the free delivery of this book, and I'm quite excited to read the Shairis by Momin, Shairis and Ghazals by Momin. Again, the print quality is very nice here. The next and the last book of this haul I have got is this one. Let us see what we get from this. Okay, so this is Ek Muthi Akshar by Amrita Pritam, and again this is a collection of poems by Amrita Pritam, and there are some sketches as well. Sketches, as you can see, are very subtle and very beautiful sketches are there. So these are Ek Muthi. This is Ek Muthi Akshar by Amrita Pritam. This is of course a Hindi translation. Originally it was written in Punjabi. So this is a Hindi translation, and this book is priced at 250 rupees, as you can see the MRP. But I have got this book only for I think 80 rupees. Okay, so again very interested to read Amrita Pritam as well. I have read some text by Amrita Pritam like Pinjar and some other stories. And again मैं तनु फिर मिलांगी is again one of my favorite poems of all time. So looking forward to read this book as well. So right when I'm done reading all these books, I'll make sure to share my review of these books as well. Thank you so much for watching.